In this short tutorial, I will show you how to enable sensitive content on Telegram. Sensitive content includes images or videos that may not be suitable for all audiences. By default, Telegram filters out sensitive content to protect users from potentially inappropriate material. But you can easily disable this filter and access and view sensitive content on Telegram. To get started, open up any web browser you like, tap on the URL bar, and type web.telegram.org. Tap Go. It will load the Telegram sign-in page. So go ahead and sign into your Telegram account. After that, tap on these three lines in the top left corner. And then tap Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, tap on the Privacy and Security option. What you want to do next is scroll down a bit, and you'll see a section called Sensitive Content, and in that section, you'll see an option called Disable Filtering. To enable sensitive content on Telegram, simply tap over here and put a checkmark on the Disable Filtering option. By enabling sensitive content on Telegram, you will have access to a wider range of content that may be restricted by default, and it will expose you to material that is not appropriate for all viewers. Make sure to use it responsibly and only enable it if you are comfortable with potentially seeing explicit or graphic content on your Telegram account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.